The European Union says it backs the international nuclear deal with Iran, which has come under strain recently and is holding talks to try to keep the deal afloat. The EU foreign policy chief is meeting U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo today alongside Britain, France and Germany, who signed the deal in 2015.
We continue to fully support the nuclear deal with Iran. Its full implementation for us remains a key pillar of security in our region, and it has been and continues to be for us a key element of non-proliferation, the non-proliferation architecture both globally and in the region. So we'll continue to support it as much as we can with all our instruments and all our political will.
The Europeans have had a hard time keeping financial lifelines open to Tehran since the United States withdrew from the deal last year and reimposed sanctions on Iran. Iran has now threatened to step up uranium enrichment in contravention of the deal. Meanwhile, the U.S. has deployed an aircraft carrier and more Patriot missiles to the Middle East in response to what it says is an increased threat of attacks by Iran on U.S. interests.